How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. Now, it's quite easy and simple. Head over to your browser on your phone and search for Snapchat support. Now, here you'll get the link and click on the first link available. Here you'll get a number of options and click on the option where it's written "My account is compromised." Now, once this loads up, you'll be asked to submit a request. Here, click on "I think my account was compromised" and down below, enter your account username, your email, your mobile number and the description. On the description, appeal that your account was locked by mistake. Now, once you do that, click on submit and Snapchat will get back to you within few hours. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.